Hey guys, welcome back to my Infinite Painter tutorial. Today we'll draw this beautiful sunset. First use the gradient tool, then set the given colors. Use the old gouache brush and paint horizontally to give it the effect of the horizon. Create a new layer. Use the splatter brush for stars, then lower the opacity. Merge both layers. Create a layer, and draw a big mountain on it. Enable Alpha Lock and add some details. Use lighter colors on the left side and darker on the right. Create multiple layers for mountains with different colors. This time we won't add extra details on them. Just draw some mountains and fill color on it using the paint bucket tool. Merge all the mountain layers and create a new layer above it. We'll add pine trees on it. It's a custom-made stamp brush, check the description to make your own. Go to brush settings and increase the scatter and continuous jitter. Create multiple pine tree layer using different colors, just like mountain layers, and then merge them all. Create a layer, and draw a big rock or mountain hill on it using the solid fill tool. Enable the alpha lock and add some details on it. After that, add some trees down there. Create a layer just to be safe and draw a little house on top of the mountain or rock. Fill it. Merge the house, rock, and tree layers together. Create a layer on top of the background layer and draw a cloud on it. Lower its opacity, and create a layer on top of it, then draw on more cloud overlapping the previous one. Do some adjustment using the monoline brush. Now, merge both cloud layer. Use the selection tool and select the cloud and duplicate it multiple times. Then merge the cloud layers again. Create one more layer on top of this layer, and draw the sun. Duplicate the sun layer, resize it and lower its opacity. Do it multiple times. That's it, it's done. Thanks for watching. If it helped, then like the video and subscribe for more videos like this.